will be Gary, who says evaluations are a privilege. It offers a chance to help a fellow Toastmaster develop as a speaker. It also helps the evaluator develop impromptu speaking skills. Speaking in public is enjoyable. Impromptu speaking in public is both a challenge and a thrill. Gary is thankful for the opportunity to evaluate Nell. Please welcome Gary Ragland.
I actually wrote an intro and submitted it in large print. Thank you very much. Nell, I'm not as nice as the other guys are.
Bring it on.
I will find some faults. But you did an outstanding job. The one thing I love the most as I approach review this year is the large font. That is the best thing in the world. Because typically a lot of us, and we know who we are, we just can't see it. So the large print really, really helps. And I love those giant Post-it notes. I have never seen those. Those are the coolest things in the world. I think the information was great. I love the fact that you handed out the little synopsis of what you did for things that we can follow up with in the future. You really didn't use notes, I noticed. I'm thinking you had something right here because I would catch you every once in a while looking down, but I don't think it distracted at all. I think you did very well with that. I think your gestures were good. I think your vocal variety was good. You moved around. You owned this space. You didn't stand in front of your notes. Right here.
That's good.
That's good. You had great energy. And then I'm going to stop. Let's go the other way because I'm running out of notes here about what I did. An outstanding job. I think you could have spoken a bit slower.
Okay.
Now, I mean, it was 6 tips. It wasn't a lot, but we didn't know about the handouts at the end. And I think Rick said he was writing everything down, but we got the handouts. And I know that can be a challenge when you really want to focus. And I always say this, I always try to watch the room and see what other people are doing in terms of the speaker, and everyone was focused on you, and they weren't doing some of the other things that we get sidetracked with. For your opening, although it was good, I think maybe if you asked a question or did something different to maybe draw us in and gather our attention and then keep that focus on you. Another thing, the Post-its, they were outstanding, but I noticed you put one up, then you bend down, you look away, then you have to put another one up. Maybe go the other way. Maybe have all of them up and then rip them off. And you could rip it, drop it, or do something with it, and then go on to the next one. That might have made it.
I did try that, but they all came off each time. Super sticky Post-its. I wanted to do that.
It was a technology challenge.
Or hire an invaluable assistant.
Yes. Thank you.
But anyway, that would be something that you could do. And maybe add a few pauses in. You went through the information fairly rapidly. Maybe slow down a little bit. And when you scanned the room, although you did look in the room, it was more, you kind of looked at everyone. Maybe talk to Scott, talk to Michelle, talk to us. Talk to one person, but address everyone.
Okay.
And I'm running out of time here. And one other final thing, no more than 6 lines of text per visual aid according to the manual. Other than that, it was an awesome presentation and you did quite well. Thank you very much.
Yes.